What up, guys? Panda Taco here, coming at you with another video. So I got my old winch hook here. I'll show you. I got it on the vice grip here. I'm going to be cutting into it to take it off so that I can install my Factor 55 Ultrahook. So stay tuned. So this is what the Ultrahook looks like pressed up against the fair lead. I didn't have the special tool to get that hook out, those little clips to clip this in, but I improvised and it came out pretty well, I thought. Let me know what you guys think. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and Panda Taco out. Thanks for watching.